Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple pie crust without a food processor. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the fat, grab 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small 1/2-inch cubes. Finally, have 1/2 cup of ice water ready. These simple ingredients are all you need for a flaky, delicious crust. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the 2 1/2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt until well mixed. Next, add the 1 cup of cold, cubed butter to the flour mixture. Using a pastry blender or your fingertips, quickly cut the butter into the flour. You want the butter pieces to be about the size of small peas, which usually takes around 5 minutes. It's time to add the liquid. Gradually pour in the 1/2 cup of ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently after each addition. Be careful not to overwork the dough. Stop mixing as soon as it just comes together. Once formed, divide the dough into 2 equal discs. Wrap each disc tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate them for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial for a tender, flaky crust. After chilling, it's time to roll out your dough. On a lightly floured surface, roll 1 disc into a 12-inch circle, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Carefully transfer the rolled dough into your 9-inch pie plate. Trim any excess dough, leaving about 1/2 inch overhang, then crimp the edges decoratively. Before adding your apple filling, chill the crust again for 15 minutes. This helps prevent shrinkage during baking. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.